farmers, would they be able to plant our natural seeds on that same soil? As the Commissioner for Health, I don't think we should dabble into GMO, as we have not done our nutritional research on its long-term effects on our people. And these checks do not take short terms. It's a long-term process. So I think we should be sure of what we are getting ourselves into. I know where I stand. Jesus, I say to the people, it's in my interest to protect the people. And the Commissioner for Health, of course, agrees with me on this. Speak for yourself.
Blood of Jesus.
GMO. They reject that item. This thing is like vitamin C. I take it morning. I even take it in the afternoon. I take it at night.
You really? Utilo.
What happened? What changed? Well, we decided to put everything behind us.
And the honeymoon of lies is over.
GMO, we stand.
We have the culture of food preservation, not food security, but food sustainability. Next time you're eating a fruit and it doesn't have seeds, throw it away.
We have succeeded in displacing all the farmers in major areas of farm production. So agricultural production now will solely rely on government.
That's perfect. Exactly what I wanted you to do. So right now, you and I, we're going to make a lot of money.
A lot of money. I love that. Thank you, Honorable